In this video, we are going to take a look at the Leyton House colour star, which is made up of primary and secondary colours. Primary colours are the ones that cannot be created by mixing other colours, but can be mixed to make all other colours. Our primary colours are red, blue, and yellow. Mixing two primary colours together will create a new colour shade, our secondary colours. If we take red and blue and mix them together, a new secondary colour of violet will be created. Moving around our triangle, if we take blue and mix it with yellow, it will now make a green shade. Finally, yellow and red combined together will give us an orange shade. When we combine our primary triangle with our secondary triangle, we now have our colour star. On our colour star, we can clearly identify our shades, our primary and our secondary, and where they sit and how they relate to our colours. At the top of our colour star, we have our primary red, 0.6 red. Moving along the colour wheel, we then have our tertiary tone, mahogany, 0.5. Our secondary colour, violet, is represented by a 0.2 pearl violet. Our tertiary tone, blue violet, 0.8. A primary blue of 0.1 blue ash. A secondary green, 0.7 matte ash. A primary yellow, which is our 0.3 golden tone. Secondary orange is a 0.4 copper. There we have our complete colour star, a numbering system, and how they are positioned.